Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of awesome watch faces that are free for the taking in the Gift Manager store that you do not want to miss out on, especially this first one. Now, the first one is called Earthquake 12 Hours Orange and Black. Very nice looking analog watch face. You get the best of both worlds because you get digital along with it. Now, in the always on mode, it's pretty much just going to be dimmed down for the AOD mode, which isn't a bad look at all. But I really like to look at this watch face when it's on. Now, this is an everyday watch face, a dress up watch face, or you can consider this your Monday through Friday watch face. But it's very nice. I like the theme that's going on in the background. I like the look of the hands. It's got a yellow second hand that pretty much sets the color off, which isn't bad at all. And you got Genesis down at the bottom. You got Earthquake. You got your date. And don't forget, you got your digital time right here, which I thought wasn't a bad look at all. So for a dress up / casual watch face, free for the taking in the Gift Manager store, this one is not bad. And sorry, no, it is not interactive, but considering that it's free, this thing is still all good. Let's check out watch face number two. Number two, this one is called Chivalry 12 Hours Black and Gold. This is a very nice everyday watch face, people. Free for the taking in the Gift Manager store. You can't beat it. It is not interactive or anything like that, but for free, it's still not a bad look. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's not bad at all. You're going to be able to see your time at a glance. And you do get analog / digital. This time the digital is on this side. And this video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see it in person. It looks really, really nice. It's got Chivalry at the top. You got Monday through Friday right here. You got a smooth second hand that adds a little bit of class, a slight elegance to this watch face. And of course, you get your Roman numerals for your index going around the bezel of the watch. So this is a nice look. Considering that it's free, I thought you guys just might like this one too. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. So take care.